Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the art class. Our today's topic is elephant. So I'm going to be teaching you how to draw an elephant. You all like to see an elephant? It is so huge. It is one of the biggest land animal, right? And it has got big ears, a long big trunk which acts as his nose and also his upper lip. The elephant has a very heavy body. He has strong legs which are rounded at the bottom to support his heavier body. Now let's begin. To draw an elephant, children, I am going to teach you by making an alphabet which you already know, which is a small E. And we are going to write the small E in this manner. First make a C and then make it a E. You all know how to write this E? Very good. Now in this upper part of the E, let's make the elephant's eye. You see the elephant's eye is the shape of a leaf or an almond, and then there is a semicircle. Now this part of the E is going to become his trunk, children. The trunk is broad on top and then it becomes narrow. Broad and narrow. So it's broad at the top, curve, 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 and just write a number 3 at the end. Now what is going to happen to this line? Yes, it's going to become his tusk, his teeth. And this extra line that you see coming on his teeth, we have to remove it. Very good. Now where is his mouth? His mouth is over here. So this trunk acts as his upper lip. So we have to make the lower lip, which is by making a V. Can you see I've written a V? Done. Now leave this. Come on this side and let's make one big C for his ear. Done. Now children, this V that you have written, from that V, draw one straight line down. Don't draw on the trunk. Down till here. Can you see? Fine. Now from the back, from the ear, go round, round and come down. Nice. Now what are these two lines going to become? Yes, his legs. So to draw his legs, each leg has 2 lines. Our legs have how many? One leg has how many lines? 2 lines. Our hand has 1 and 2 lines. So 2 lines for each leg, and then it's rounded like this at the bottom. Done. Now join the legs together for his big tummy. You know, elephants eat a lot. Now how to make the other 2 legs? Elephant has 4 legs. Other 2 legs, how do we make? For that, one standing line behind the first leg, come down and join to the first leg. Similarly, one standing line from here, come down and join to the back leg. Now from the top, his tail is going to continue and end up in tail hair. Great. Now one more ear he has. So that ear, children, only little bit will show. Like this. Our elephant is done. But this line is not looking correct. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my eraser and I am very nicely just going to erase this line. And our elephant is done. Now what do elephants like to eat? Oh, before we go, I just remembered we have not made his nails. We have nails. He also has nails. His nails are semicircle in shape. 1, 2, 3. Only one will show here because the rest of the leg is hiding behind. Only one at the back leg, and 1, 2 and 3. So our elephant is ready, and right now he's very, very hungry. What do elephants eat? Yes, they eat bananas, they like to eat sugarcane, they like to eat fresh green grass. So I have already taught you how to make banana trees. So why not, let's use our learning over here. So I'm going to make some banana trees, but before I begin, I need to make the land on which this elephant is walking and the land or the soil in which the banana tree is growing. Now, how did we make the banana tree? In my previous video, I've taught you 2 lines okay, and then if you remember, like a fountain, these 2 lines will fall down. Right? Now, what do we do? Yes, we can add more leaves. 1, again like a water fountain. Very good. Now, what do we do? Children, just close this on top. Close these 2 lines on top. Okay? Now, banana leaves have cuts in them. You remember? Standing line, A shape, sleeping line, A shape, sleeping line, join. You remember? Like this, sleeping line, A shape, sleeping line, A shape, sleeping line, join. Sleeping line A, sleeping line A, join. Once again, sleeping line A, sleeping line A and join. What do we do about this? This is looking very blank. I will just add 1 straight line, and again sleeping line A, sleeping line A, sleeping line A, sleeping line A. Once again, sleeping line A or a triangular shape, sleeping line A. I hope it's easy, children. We are also recapitulating this. You have already done. Very nice. Done. Now, how to draw the bananas? You remember? We first made an oval, a bunch of bananas, and then we just made longer U's inside it. Once again, see children, we made an oval, and then inside the oval we are going to make these long U's for the bananas. It's a bunch of banana hanging on the tree, and this elephant is going to eat them in a while. And in the ground, I can just add some grass with triangle shape. Now you want to add clouds and sun in the sky? You may do so. I will teach you coloring in my next video.